Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to take a long screenshot or a scrolling screenshot on this device. So first of all, you need to take a normal screenshot. Okay. So I am going to take the long screenshot of the full settings page. So let me show you how to do this one. First of all, you need to take a screenshot, the method that you know. So simply here I am going to use the button method for this power button and the volume down button. So the first option, you can see the scrolling button. Just tap on this one. You can see the screen is scrolling. Keep tapping to capture full page. That's it. If you tap on this one, you can see the screenshot. So I will go to the gallery. You can see that full screenshot you can see here. So simply in this way we can take the full screen screenshot. Otherwise take long screenshot or the scrolling screenshot on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.